I used to dread traveling because I was scared of gaining weight and losing all my progress. But this is not the case now, because I learned that the key is to prepare. So in this video I'm going to give you my top 8 tips on how to stay fit while traveling.
Bring a resistance band or two in your luggage. If you're in a pinch, bringing a resistance band can provide an effective on-the-go workout. You can even print out bodyweight and outdoor workouts before you leave. This will encourage you to stick with a plan if there isn't a gym available. Pack quick, healthy snacks. Nuts, protein shakes, and bars will be your perfect friends to keep you full between meals, plus help with those bored cravings. You know, when you aren't really hungry, just kind of want to mention something, we all have those moments. These foods can also be convenient for the airport and plane because this way you won't be tempted to give into fattening airplane food when hunger strikes. You can also freeze some foods if you know you will be there for a while. I like to bring non-perishable items and place them into my check-in luggage. Some of the food items that I bring with me are canned tuna, oats, protein powder, protein bars, nuts, peanut butter, and rice cakes. Always carry water with you everywhere. It's easy to forget to drink water when you're traveling, and that can really mess with how you feel. Plus, so often you're just dehydrated and not actually hungry. Sometimes airlines do not offer an adequate amount of water while flying, so you may want to consider bringing your own empty large water bottle or purchasing a few water bottles before boarding. Prioritize protein. You don't want to lose your hard-earned muscles, so eating enough protein is my number one priority. I don't track or weight my food when I'm away from home, but I make sure to eat protein with every meal, and I always bring my protein powder with me to help me do that. It is easy, convenient, and delicious way to hit my protein targets. Research local restaurants and markets. Google Map is your friend. Scope up the restaurants and markets nearby to know what healthier options you have. Get moving. Get some movement in, no matter what. Go for a hike, swim, run, or ride. Hit the hotel gym. Do a quick bodyweight or resistance band circuit in your hotel room or climb the stairs. The options are limitless. Do the best you can with what you have available. Enjoy yourself. Try to make the healthiest choices when you can, yes, but do not stress it too much. Allow yourself to get off track. It's your vacation after all. Once you get back home, you will return to your normal routine. It's totally okay to relax and enjoy yourself. Indulge in some delicious food and drinks. Even if you gain a few kilograms, really, who cares? You will bounce back to normal fast. Life is short, so eat your food and enjoy yourself.